Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to buy Netflix gift card. So if you want to buy it and probably you want to give it to someone, I'm going to show you how. So you just need to open your browser first and then go to this link, this one right here, the www.netflix.com/gift cards. So just click on enter and then you'll be directed to this page. So you can access unlimited Netflix with one card. So you can pay for membership or give one to someone special. So in this page you can see the list of retailers that you can buy the Netflix gift card. So in this case, in my country there is only one store that I can buy it, the Alfamart, but probably your country will be different. And how does it work? So it's so easy. You can just add them to an existing account or set a new account, and then it works like cash. So it gives it to your account as a balance. And when the balance run out, it will let you know. And then when you want to redeem the gift card, just click on the I'm ready page, I'm ready icon here, and then you'll be directed to the redeem page. And you just need to enter or input the code or pin and click on redeem. Okay, so it's so easy. That is how you can you can buy a Netflix gift card. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.